Praise Jesus, brethren.
Miss
Nachibuka Margaret from Bulamu. I first of all thank Christ Jesus for the lives He has given unto us. I thank Jesus for the provision, and I thank Jesus for my business. I thank Jesus because on Sunday we were here. And the prophet of God got a vision when I was going to die. And they prayed for me together with all ministers. But I wasn't feeling any pain. And I had no sign. But after leaving this place on Sunday, I saw a sign. I was asleep. And then I started getting choked by saliva. And when this saliva choked me, I rose up. And then I sat. But this thing normally comes and attacks me. But I know that it is always there. But I don't take it as something important. But when I went back to sleep, it came back again. And when it returned, I felt as if certain substances wanted to pass through the nose and come out. So I woke up and I fell to sleep. Then I got Psalms chapter 91 and read some of it. And I also read Psalms chapter 35. Then I went back to sleep. And when I fell asleep, this attack never came back. Then in the morning, when it came to morning hours, I failed to get power to get out of my bed. Then I slept all alone. But I couldn't stand up. Then my children asked me that, Mother, what has happened? But I told them that you cannot understand what is upon me. I would have died in bed when you don't know. So I was so weak that very day that I couldn't move. And I never had appetite to eat. And then the prophet of God called me and asked me that, how are you feeling now? For sure I was feeling very badly. And I was feeling very heavy that I couldn't do anything. But I would just send the children to bring for me everything where I was seated. But the man of God told me that don't mind because you're going to be well. And on that day when the man of God called me, I got water that we got from the pool. And I said, although I'm weak, let me bathe this water from the pool. And I told Jesus that if I told you managed to heal the man at the pool, also heal me. And Jesus did it for me. I thank Jesus And I also thank him for the prayers of the man of God. And I thank the ushers that laid their hands on me. Because there was terrible death. Because something was taking me away when in the sleep. As it strangled me, I would feel substances when they want to come out through the nose. But I thank Jesus for healing me. I give all the glory and honor back to Jesus. Man of God, thank you for praying for me. May the Lord bless you with what you want more.